Wow, it's been a while since we've seen each other like this, okay? However, new day. So this vlog will be a travel vlog. Another travel vlog where this time, instead of going to any classes or anything, I am actually going traveling as a travel stylist, which it has been a while since I've done this as well. Because if you don't know, which you probably don't, because I never used to talk about that, but I used to travel specifically for hair or makeup. It really didn't matter, but I used to travel when I didn't have a place to actually do hair and offer the services or whatever. I would go to my clients because your girl was a hustle baby. And about where I've been is where I'm about to go. Anyway, so yeah, I am traveling to Kentucky. Okay, yes, my older sister is down in Kentucky. One of her girlfriends is actually getting married, and I am doing a total of 5 people. So I'm doing 3 makeup enhancements, and then I'm doing 2 hairstyles. So yes, it is just me, 5 people. I know I can do it, so I'm going to do it. But Kentucky is about 5.5 hours away from where I stay. So I'm gonna head out tomorrow, which is Sunday. The wedding is Monday. So hopefully if I head out about 1, I'll get there tomorrow afternoon. I'm really excited. So this is gonna be that vlog. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey boo, hey, glad to see you here. I'm excited. Stay along the journey as I travel to Kentucky to do a wedding party. Hey vlog, so it's basically day 1 of traveling to Kentucky to do the wedding. Like I mentioned yesterday, I didn't get a chance to show y'all when I was unpacking because I was really just trying to kind of get it done, but I will show y'all once I make it there. Once I make it there, I have to like wash the makeup brushes, allow them to lay out overnight, and kind of just like reorganize and get myself situated. I wish I could like stop at a park somewhere, but realistically, I doubt that'll happen. I'll keep y'all updated. I'm really excited for tomorrow. So excited. So peace out. I'll see y'all later.
Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know.
Hey vlog, it's day 3. I'm heading back home. I am now on the highway, 5.5 hours away from home, and that's a wrap. That literally wraps up this 2-day trip. I'm gonna say 2-day, well I guess it's 3-day because the last day is the travel day, but wraps up my turnaround trip to Kentucky. Overall experience 10 out of 10. I just love doing brides. I really appreciate the fact that they trust me enough, and I was considered to be a part of their big special day. Plot twist, my bride is actually having 2 ceremonies. So this was the first ceremony. Due to COVID, they already had the plans set in place, but because of the restrictions here in Kentucky, they were only allowed so many guests. Okay, it's a few hours later. I have about 2 hours left in my drive. My phone definitely shut off when I was talking earlier because it was too hot, and my phone was directly in the sun. I got a new tripod finally for my car. I go through car tripods so often. I don't know why. Probably because I buy them from TJ Maxx, and like today I stopped before I got on the road and I got this one for $7. So I just got the 2 that I seen. But that's not bad. I don't think this one has any reason to malfunction. If it does, I have a backup, so we're good. I should just get a quality one from like Best Buy when I go and get my phone and camera. Just the fact that, like I said, I get to be a part of that big day. Like we can all look back on my pictures and be like, oh my God, like, oh, you guys are so beautiful, and I helped. Okay. But yeah, this is fun. This is really fun. I was able to do a lot of thinking, a lot of self-reflecting, just a lot of brainstorming, a lot of video watching, and music listening. I didn't listen to any podcasts this time. I didn't listen to any audiobooks, but I'm excited that it's all over with and I get to go back home, so I get to start on my other projects and just continue to build the brand. But yeah, this was I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed the behind the scenes of wedding prep. I hope this is fun to watch. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up if it was for you. Leave me a comment. Let me know, what do you think about the bride? What do you think about the girls? Hopefully by the time this is edited, I have some pictures of the bridesmaids, and like professional pictures of her mom, and just like the pictures while I was actually like doing these services and stuff while we were getting ready. So fingers crossed, by the time this vlog is edited and uploaded, the pictures will be added. But I will see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it so much, and peace out. Wish me safe travels, even though I'll be home by the time you guys see it.